Say these bars are like COVID, you get them right off the bat. Infected with SARS and Corona, like you took a bite off of that. Then it goes from Martian to human, that's how the virus attacks. They come at me with machine guns, like trying to fight off a gnat. Still stacking my chips, hoes, higher than Shaq on his tiptoes. Top the Empire State Building, this shit is like child's play children. I will annihilate, kill them, I fuck around and pile 8 million dead little juveniles. Wait children, I'll await my trial, date till then. Ain't nothing you say could ever trump Mike Pence will get killed. If you're hypersensitive, I wasn't referencing the vice president, chill. I mean my penmanship at times tends to get ill. Violence but with skill, that's why I hints when I write ends up with the mic and pencil getting killed. Yeah, and I'm still rider, die for the squad.